Sense the ocean from a drop of water. Sense the stars from a beam of light. Sense the world from a grain of sand. To sense rather than just to see. Hello world. HOLOWITS is here. An enabler helping us build a world where all things can sense, making work and life easier and smarter. HOLOWITS is equipped with cutting-edge technologies and supports intelligent transformation of many industries. The campus solution improves enterprise and user services with digital operations, enhancing campus safety and efficiency. The transportation solution enriches travel experience with image technologies, making traveling even more convenient. The grid solution safeguards each power transmission line using video technologies, strengthening the security and efficiency of electricity services. The Intelligent City solution promotes the effective management of urban areas with intelligent vision, improving livability and sustainability. The retail solution streamlines store operations by analyzing customer requirements, boosting data-driven businesses. The warehousing solution uses dedicated algorithms to detect smoke, fires, and intruders, ensuring warehouse security. The kindergarten solution allows parents to observe their children at school, strengthening communication between parents and teachers. HOLOWITS brings intelligent vision products and video cloud services to complement the trend of industry digitalization. The ever-evolving software-defined camera revolutionizes the video industry, serving as eyes of the intelligent world. The intelligent video storage and computing platforms support concurrent running of multiple algorithms based on vast computing power. The Video Cloud Service provides diverse cloud services such as security protection, business and production management, and digital operations for enterprises. HOLOWITS is here with you. Explore further, dive deeper, dream bigger, and care more. HOLOWITS, everything sensing for an intelligent world.
Hello everyone, I'm Jade. Thanks for joining us. What's the relation between intelligent vision and industry digitalization? Each one of you may have your own understanding. Here, I would like to share HOLOWITS' recent thinking. With the development of 5G and AI technologies, the world is becoming fully connected and intelligent. From the technical perspective, we defined an intelligent world composed of three Alls: all things sensing, all things intelligent, and all things connected. If we look back at the technological revolution in the past few years, we will find that the subjects in interaction have been changing. The information society features human-machine interface, while in the intelligent society, machine-machine communication becomes popular. The change of interaction mode has led to the development of Internet of Things. In the 4G era, smartphones served as engine for users to access diverse applications, as well as connecting people. Likewise, video takes a central role in today's 5G industry digitalization. Intelligent vision has become the eye of the digital world. Data carrier as well as enable for connecting physical and digital worlds. Intelligent vision could bring about a world in which the Internet is fully integrated into every part of economy and society. It may save more lives. With telemedicine, medical resources are accessible for more patients. It can also reduce infection risk for frontline public health workers. It may reduce mundane tasks, allowing workers to focus on creative, non-routine aspects of their jobs. With intelligent vision, our city will be safer and smarter. Every industry will enjoy the benefits that intelligent vision brings during the industry digitalization. So, what are the advantages of intelligent vision compared to human eyes? We get asked this all the time. As we can see in the table, intelligent vision is characterized by high accuracy and speed as well as its environment adaptability and intelligent capability. It's still safe to say intelligent vision works based on logic and can remain energetic around the clock. Over the past 10 years, with the development of intelligent cities, security cameras are widely used. The need for intelligent vision is expanding from security to operation. With intelligent vision, video analysis is evolving from intensive manpower management to artificial intelligence technology. The sensing system will have the ability to proactively perceive and intelligently analyze, offering some real benefits over human vision, such as increased competitiveness, lower costs, improved product quality, and higher innovation. What are the competitive advantages of HOLOWITS? HOLOWITS has incredible vision technology based on ultimate computing power together with various algorithms to provide a full series of software-defined camera to cope with different scenarios and to accelerate intelligent vision into operation. As AI costs drop rapidly year by year and AI applications are widely applied, AI cameras will enable large enterprises as well as small and medium-sized businesses to enjoy the AI capabilities as we are entering the second growth wave of intelligent sensing. To be specific, HOLOWITS continuously develops innovative products based on 1+3+N industry development framework, redefines business models, ecosystem patterns, and solution architectures based on platform ecosystem. HOLOWITS takes software-defined camera as the core and builds closed-loop product capabilities of edge cloud synergy. Based on this, we develop a fully open ecosystem. However, in the intelligent era, one vendor cannot provide all the applications. Most of the applications depend on partners. We hope to cooperate with competent partners in the fields of standard establishment, industry certification, and algorithm development. Transform your know-how into product capabilities to meet requirements of customers from thousands of industries. As many of you may have known that traditional cameras have problems such as fixed functions, poor computing power, and upgrading difficulties due to coupled software and hardware and limited CPU performance. Due to the pain points of Lexo IPCs as well as our vision for the whole industry, we need to build a sensing platform for the future intelligent world. To cope with quick change of different scenarios and businesses, and build a more flexible and diverse multi-dimensional awareness system, HOLOWITS builds software-defined architecture by following ITU-T international standards and specified 3 key elements. Professional AI processors provide ultimate computing power capabilities for intelligence and digitalization. OpenOS allows everything to converge into edge cloud business system in the intelligent world. An abundant future-proof ecosystem bridges HOLOWITS and partners to build an intelligent world together. Traditional camera has relatively simple functions, aiming at single problem solving. This type of camera is limited in application scenarios and harder to create more value. Software-defined cameras are an upgrade of traditional cameras, which have evolved from single data source processing to multi-dimensional data integration. Our software-defined camera works on the continuous evolution and development of AI algorithms. Moreover, software-defined cameras with open-ended platforms provide integration capabilities to deploy AI in different security scenarios. Accelerated by the success of AI technology, explosive data growth, as well as increasingly diversified data, computing and storage capabilities are driven to upgrade. According to the prediction of IDC, the world's volume of data will expand to 163 zettabytes by 2025. Massive data will lead to high system TCO, poor real-time performance, and centralized intelligence. There is an urgent need to push AI to edge internet to fully unleash the potential of intelligent capabilities. To realize this trend, edge intelligence is a promising concept to support intensive AI applications on edge devices. With edge intelligence, more than 50% of data are processed and analyzed at the edge, which can speed up response and save bandwidth. Let's jump to our latest products. So, let's take a quick look at the full series of SDCs. Different AI processors with different computing powers support full series of SDCs. The customer can choose based their own demands. Extra series, equipped with the most powerful computing power of up to 4 TOPS, serving customers that require the most demanding AI capabilities. Magic Series, equipped with 2 TOPS computing power, is capable of running multiple algorithms, offering structured data for video analysis and providing intelligence for dedicated scenarios. Credible Series, ultra-simplified operations and maintenance achieves high-level video quality diagnosis, ensuring an optimal viewing experience for ultra-high-definition footage. Distinct Series, inclusive AI models designed for small and medium-sized businesses, providing the basic AI functions such as intelligent operation for retail stores, as well as management efficiency improvement and epidemic prevention and control for enterprises and organizations. Easy Series, competitive network HD cameras providing abundant intelligent applications by connecting to HOLOWITS micro edge products. Let's start with the first eco camera in the industry. The EcoCube camera is designed to address the challenges of providing intelligent vision services in difficult environments, such as areas that lack power supply and network connections. This product has 2 key highlights. First, the EcoCube camera has a user-friendly design and an elegant droplet-shaped cover. It supports wireless network connection, continuous power supply, one-click signal optimization, and remote O&M. All in all, this camera is well adapted for changing environments. EcoCube cameras use the VideoX wireless transmission technology to connect the primary camera and secondary cameras, and use free frequency bands to quickly build ad hoc networking and implement wireless transmission of video from secondary cameras. A star networking can cover a civilian area with a radius of 2 kilometers, while a chain networking can cover a 16-kilometer highway, river, or power transmission line. EcoCube cameras use solar energy and lithium batteries for power supply. The solar panel size is only 0.4 square meter, which is 30% smaller than the industry average. With a super wake-up function, built-in radar triggered wake-up, scheduled wake-up, and sensor triggered wake-up, the standby time of secondary cameras can reach as long as 72 hours. Intelligent vision technologies are widely used in transportation industry for license plate recognition, remote intelligent law enforcement, and intelligent intersection for city traffic control. From this slide here, you can see the AI super low light checkpoint camera. Together with the environmentally friendly illuminator, the camera provides features like image enhancement and scene adaptation, and it is used for a variety of purposes. Compared with similar products in the industry, the light produced by our illuminator is weak and reasonable for driver's eyes and even more faintish than the street lights, which effectively reduce light pollution and ensure driving safety. Let's turn to the product on the right. The dual lens cube camera, which is an incredible product that pioneers in using the pi-type heat dissipation technology and features the most compact structure in the industry. This camera is equipped with two lenses, collaborating with each other for panoramic and detailed video images. The customer-built super sensor, together with remarkable supercolor technology, enables full color image capture even under low light conditions to provide fully structured data around the clock. These are just a few of the innovations enabled by HOLOWITS that make our products such a huge hit with our customers. Another great innovative product that's widely used in transportation industry is the AI dual-lens PTZ dome camera. This camera is equipped with two 4-megapixel lenses. The lower one is a wide-angle prime lens for panoramic detection, while the upper one is a 40 times long-focus zoom lens for capturing details. The two lenses tilt and pan on the same plane for better situation awareness. Moreover, it supports upgrade of multiple algorithms online. Third, traditional PTZ cameras rely on their own ways for image stabilization, while HOLOWITS dual-lens PTZ dome camera uses 6-axis gyroscope and AI algorithms for image stabilization. The AI processor built in the camera provides ultimate computing power that can predict offset of each pixel in real time and output the motion change metrics to optimize image stabilization. The dual-lens PTZ dome camera supports flexible loading of multiple intelligent algorithms to implement automated picture, which can effectively reduce operation costs. As I mentioned before, HOLOWITS is dedicated to bring AI capabilities to every enterprise and organizations in different industries. The LIV intelligent camera is a distribution camera featuring the highest performance in the industry, such as computing power, memory, eMMC flash, and OpenOS. The LIV series intelligent cameras, equipped with 1 TOPS computing power, provide various intelligent capabilities such as 1+N, which allows one intelligent camera to share computing power with N traditional IP cameras. The LIV series even has 2 built-in microphones for clear voice interaction, which is widely implemented for intrusion detection and road occupation. Moreover, third-party partners can roll out multi-algorithms. Customers can develop algorithms independently or choose suitable algorithms provided by third-party vendors to enable more businesses to be intelligentized. Now I'm presenting to you the HOLOWITS IVS, a cloud-based video management system. As we all know that the conventional video platform creates data silos where groups of raw data can only be accessible to one organization and isolated from the rest of the ecosystem. HOLOWITS IVS intelligent video platform, with its container technology, eliminates data silos and provides all-in-one services such as analysis of people, vehicles, and events. Powered by AI processors, HOLOWITS IVS 1800 has ultimate 32 TOPS computing power and the capabilities of analyzing 16 channels of video or 64 channels of images at the same time. Additionally, the IVS 1800 has 8 disks and features strong storage and intelligent capabilities, so that customers can perform edge computing without adding extra box devices, while generally 2 devices are required in the industry. Such edge cloud synergy features have always been favored by customers like universities, hotels, banks, and retail shops. NVIDIA 800 solves the problem for last-mile intelligent applications in the commercial market and is widely used in various small-scale scenarios. It is an important tool for business partners to achieve rapid and intelligent transformation. NVR 800 series products support up to 64 channels of video access. By providing disk trays from 1, 2, and 4, it can fully meet the requirements of video storage. Based on extra 265 video encoding technology, it increases storage efficiency by 50% and supports storage of images and videos for up to 120 days. NVR 800 supports all cloud synergies. By sharing the computing capabilities from SDC or IVS, it supports attendance management and customer flow statistical analysis. HOLOWITS Cloud Service provides video access, recording, search, and industry video data flow for governments, enterprises, campuses, shopping malls, and other customer groups. For the user side, the cloud platform provides HOLOWITS iOS and Android application to let users enjoy the functions of user registration, device grouping and sharing, live view, playback, PTZ control, and AI alarm notification. Generally, HOLOWITS Cloud Service is easy to use for rapid service rollout with low startup costs. It brings the best video cloud service experience to small and medium-sized enterprises. With AI cameras and platform, HOLOWITS cooperates with partners to develop solutions of intelligent transportation, grid, city, campus, and retail for various customers. This helps achieve efficient management, service innovation, and business success. Contact us for more information about taking intelligent vision into the next step. HOLOWITS continuously delivers products and services that help us build a world where all things can sense, making work and life easier and smarter. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Elaine Lee. Welcome to the HOLOWITS Club. Here, I'll share you the latest news about HOLOWITS, including intelligent vision product and technologies. Today, for you to better understand the EcoCube camera, who is our big friend just stand right behind me, we are honored to have Lance Town, the HOLOWITS product expert, for here, and let's welcome.
Hello everyone, I'm Lance from HOLOWITS. Today, I will introduce the EcoCube cameras, world's first wireless ecological camera.
It looks so cool. I mean, what's the design concept? How did you guys come up with the idea to design such an awesome camera?
So the cameras are widely used in the urban area. So however, in some important areas, such as the power transmission lines, the signal sites, reservoirs, and the forest, they are far away from the urban area. So they cannot access the grid power and the network. So the common cameras are challenged in these areas. So against this backdrop, the HOLOWITS EcoCube cameras is designed to solve these problems.
Wow, that impressed me a lot.
So what's your first impression of this camera?
Well, I think it's very unique and stylish and discernible. Maybe it's kind of like a mini space capsule, right?
Yes. We refer to the water drop and arc when we design this appearance. So with the white housing, it is not only aesthetic and user-friendly, but also can perfectly blend into the environment.
Indeed, and the white color makes it more simple and graceful, right?
Yes.
Actually, I was wondering about the upper parts. What are hidden in it? Can we open it?
Yes, of course. So let me show you these eco cameras.
May I help you?
No, it's not very heavy as it looks like.
Okay, I'll help you to hold this.
Okay, it's done.
Wow.
And also, there's also a box on it. So let me unscrew the... So this is the first secret design of these EcoCube cameras. Do you know how it works?
It's said that the camera's feature is wireless connection, right? So I guess maybe it is the press assemble antenna for the wireless transmission?
That's correct. It is a built-in high gain and multi-directional antenna. So this is the first breakthrough that distinguishes EcoCube cameras from the common cameras. The antenna contains the built-in Wi-Fi module, so that the data can be transmitted between the cameras through microwave. So the antenna can also automatically fine-tune its orientation and angle so to keep stable data transceiving.
Which means the cameras is no coupling is needed, and the camera can always be oriented to a direction where the signal is the most intense and stable, right? Well, and I think such design is really perfect for the people in the large, most of the geography areas, right? But could you please tell us how the cameras are networked for data transmission?
Yes, of course. Currently, the cameras can be networked in the sector or the cascading mode. So the first mode is suitable for the reservoirs, scenic spots, and those spread out over a large areas. So in this model, one AP can connect to up to 8 cameras within a radius of 2 kilometers. The second is suitable for the area along the highways and the transmission tower lines. And those linear long-distance scenarios require long-density camera deployment. And in cascading mode, one AP supports cascading of up to 8 cameras through external RTs.
And our customers are gonna love it for. And you see, the camera is perfectly fit for the needs, no matter what kind of the geographical environment they are. So you just mentioned the APs and the RTs. Does they refer the devices connect to the cameras? What are their function?
So let me show you. So the AP are devices capable of the wide range data aggregation, and while the external RTs are used for the backhaul from cascade cameras. They are all assembled with high-gain antennas for long-distance transmission. In addition, the cameras and the power supply cables are waterproofed, so there is no need to worry about running reliability in any weather conditions.
Fantastic! Could you please tell me more details?
Yes, absolutely. As I just mentioned, it's difficult to support power at a remote area through utility power. So against this backdrop, the second breakthrough is that these EcoCube cameras can support power by using solar energies.
Wow, and more please.
So the EcoCube cameras use dual glass solar panels, and every single solar panel can support 70 watts power.
Really? You mean just such a small size solar panel can meet the requirement of the whole camera?
Yes, although the solar panel is only about 0.4 square meters, but it can support double-sided power generation, so increasing the power generation efficiency by more than 20%.
By the way, I noticed that there is a box-like instrument on the solar panel. What is it?
You are so clever. So this is called the PV and the storage integration module. So the core part of the solar panels. So don't look over it just because of its compact size and the lightweight. So it features the high-tech structure and integrated technology as solar energy conversion, battery level management, and energy storage. So as to achieve optimal charging performance, such a pin-sized model consists of less than batteries and a power control board.
Compared to the traditional lead-acid battery, lithium battery have long service life and the cycle life of more than twice. And could you describe the power control board in it?
Thanks to this board, the PV and storage integration module is capable of getting power consumption and process control. For example, below 1 watts.
So, will the cloudy, rainy, or any other challenging weather can affect this function?
Of course not. They are also all waterproofed, and the built-in power record can achieve a super standby for more than 20 days. In extremely harsh weather conditions, such as continuous rain and fog, the device can still work properly.
That's great! With such technologies, the EcoCube camera can widely used in areas without grid power or wire connection. But I still have one doubt. As far as I know, the night timing imaging has always been a chronic problem in the industry, and there are two common solutions. The first one is infrared illuminator, which can produce black or white image only. And the second one is a strong light compensation, like the flashlights on highways for capturing cars. And this flashlight can cause really serious light pollution. The conventional cameras always adopt flashlight for light compensation in dark environments, which produce glare and blurry image due to ambient light. So, how does the EcoCube camera address this problem?
You seem to know a lot about the cameras. So to address this problem, we introduced the supercolor technology. This technology enhances the image quality using computing powers. So in the low light environments, specifically, the supercolor enables the cameras to capture a color image and a black and white image on a sense simultaneously based on the invisible IR light compensation technology. So the color provides the rich colors but no object details. So while the black and white image contains minute details but no colors. So we combine these two images to generate a sharp, full color image.
Wow. So you mean that is to say the camera can capture all the full color HD image without producing any light pollution, right? Even at the night?
That's right.
That's really awesome. The EcoCube camera is far greater than I can imagine. So for such an intelligent camera, I guess we can remotely maintain it, right?
So good guess. That's another highlight of the EcoCube camera, remote operation and maintenance.
Really? Remote operation and maintenance can help it save a lot of labor cost.
Yes.
And how do cameras support it?
First, the camera supports one-click optimization. It can automatically adjust the position and angle of the built-in RT to realize optimal microwave transmission rate.
Can we maintain several cameras simultaneously, or we need to operate them one by one?
So of course we can maintain multiple cameras at the same time. So on the management platform, so we can view the status and some model for the camera. For example, a solar panel, battery, and wireless model. Moreover, since the camera is equipped with the supercapacitor, if an exception occurs on the camera can report key locks before power off.
So it's just like a black box, right? Which can
Yes.
make it more easy for us to analyze the problem, right?
So yes, the cameras run dual system. If one system fails, the other system can still work properly.
In other words, the camera can be always online. It's really awesome.
That's right. Okay, Lin, I have introduced the EcoCube cameras to you to see what you know about our cameras in the HOLOWITS product portfolio.
No problem.
Okay, I have mentioned 4 highlights of the EcoCube cameras. So can you describe them?
Well, the camera features wireless transmission, independent power supply, light pollution-free, and remote O&M. In addition, we provide a third platform for our partners to develop the question together. Am I right?
Yes, good job.
So that's all for our product today. Many thanks to our Lansdowne. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good day, everybody. Welcome to this launch. I'm very excited to be part of this journey. My name is Fred Simon. I'm a brand director at Pinnacle. Pinnacle is a distribution company that has been in existence for the last 29 years. So for 29 years, we've been distributing ICT products in South Africa as well as into Africa. We're extremely proud to be associated with HOLOWITS. This will form part of my stable of products that I'll be looking after as a brand director. And we're looking forward to growing this brand to an exciting environment because they've got some brilliant products. We've actually decided, and the reason why we chose HOLOWITS is purely for the fact that they're actually very innovative as a company in the surveillance and the CCTV space. But we also believe that the product sets that they've got at the moment, the artificial intelligence that's built into it, the software, the fine cameras that they have is really well positioned for our market, which is still seeing a very good growth in the surveillance security space. I'd like to welcome you for the rest of the launch. One of my managers that works for me will actually answer a couple of questions, and we look forward to you actually partnering with us and driving the business in South Africa. From my perspective, HOLOWITS, everything sensing for an intelligent world. Have a good day and enjoy the rest of the launch.
Hello, my name is Salim Ahmed. I am the Managing Director for Magnus. Magnus is a value-added distributor situated in Dubai, UAE. As a value-added distributor, we have multiple products in our portfolio. We focus on security, networking, and wireless. the partners or the profile of our partners is such that they deal with a lot of enterprise segment customers, government customers. So that is where we need to pick and choose the right kind of products that can go with the requirement and the needs of today's customers and their demands. As a value-added distributor, we believe in actually adding value to our partners. We just don't want to be a box mover, so to say, but we get involved in a project from the very beginning. From the design point of view, we get into a project. Our team of engineers gets into the project with our partner. From the design point of view, we do help our partners in doing a POC, so that the partner proposes a very viable solution which meets the needs of the customer, at the same time makes business sense to all of us. Because many a times the difference between getting an order or getting a project and not getting a project is how efficiently you have worked towards providing the best possible solution to the end customer. We all directly I believe strongly, we all directly or indirectly work for the end customer. We play a role, our partner does play a role, and so on and so forth. The vendor plays a role, of course. Talking about the vendor, we strongly believe, the products that HOLOWITS has to offer can really go a long way in establishing and in fact enhancing our business and our partners' business with the end customers. Because the end customer, the product that HOLOWITS offers has a very unique business proposition or value proposition, wherein if pitched properly, demonstrated well, I'm sure the customer will feel interested and will see a lot of value into it, thereby increasing the chances of our partners getting more orders. Again, all of this would be not possible without having an aggressive team. And I would really like to add this here, the HOLOWITS team, without naming any specific gentleman. I met the team, and every single member of the team work towards one common goal, and that is how they can promote the product better. Be it the product team, be it the pre-sales team, be it the marketing team, be it the sales team, be it the sales head. I've met everyone, and believe me, it gives me a lot of confidence that the brand is in the right hands, because the team is passionate. They work as if there's no tomorrow, which I always tell my team, okay, you should work as if there's no tomorrow. And they really focus and strive to achieve something even which may be very difficult. I will not use the word impossible, but very difficult, and they have been doing that in a shorter span of time. So which is amazing for me to see the speed, the passion and the drive behind it. It's so good to see, from a business partner perspective. It gives me a lot of assurance that our association with HOLOWITS will go a long way, inshallah, because both of us are on the same page as far as delivering the goods are concerned to our partners and of course to our end customers. If I have to describe, say, HOLOWITS in 3 words, of course, the first word would be intelligent, because that's what the entire technology is based out of. It is not an ordinary camera. It comes with its own technology, which is in machine-based intelligence, which is unique. So the first word would be intelligent. The other would be innovative, because the way the product has been designed and the way we approach it will help us to approach newer clients and newer opportunities. I'm sure the next word should be innovative. And of course, the third would be inspiring, because it is inspiring to be a part of such a journey that we have got into, and every passing day it emphasizes on the fact that yes, this is a product, this is a brand which is here to stay. And we feel, as Magnus, we feel we are proud to be associated with a brand like this. And our association can be even further enhanced with the passage of time. Finally, if I have to use the tagline of HOLOWITS, that sums up everything very, very clearly. And the tagline says, HOLOWITS, everything sensing for an intelligent world. And that is actually very apt for a product like this. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Firstly, I'd like to thank HOLOWITS giving us this opportunity to share how we feel about the brand. Firstly, my name is Ivan. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director of Diron Singapore. My job responsibility includes taking care of the entire team in Singapore distribution business, which includes brands of cameras and also video management software as well. So we are in Singapore for around 15 years. So we are quite a known distributor in the country, where we distribute products in the range of enterprise, to mid-range to low-end products to our customer to meet the end user demand. I would like to also give you some understanding of the intelligent vision in the digital transformation in this region as well. So here in Singapore, you will see we are a country that we evolve very quickly in the form of transformation. And due to COVID, a lot of things changes, which includes things like having intelligence on the ground, changing a lot of unstructured data, which is video, into structured data. And this is one of the reasons why we see a big gap that can be filled by HOLOWITS. So HOLOWITS, in my opinion, having software-defined cameras is a new way of looking at things. So now we can actually ingest different video analytics, different ways of gathering unstructured data into structured data when the cameras is deployed on the field. So take for instance, in the form of a warehouse. So now we know that we will know dwelling time, we will know who entered the warehouse, we also understand people moving in the warehouse. Not just in terms of video analytics, but in terms of the big data that comes together with it. One of the reasons why we chose HOLOWITS is because while we are accessing different brands to add into our portfolio, we saw HOLOWITS as a very good fit. One of the reasons is because it meets a lot of requirement in the enterprise space. At the same time, it also meets a lot of requirement in the commercial space as well when it comes to big data. I think what HOLOWITS moving forward can do in this particular region is to encompass more vertical or more solution that encompass different solution in the vertical industry. Say for instance, in the airport industry, what our solution can be put within the camera so that we can call this the airport package or a retail package or warehouse package, etc. So that it's easier for us as a distributor or easier for our customer to look for the correct solution to be placed within the cameras that they purchase from us. I think the good thing about HOLOWITS in this region is I don't think there's another camera that meet what I said earlier on having software defined within the camera, meaning adding different application within the camera that meets the customer requirement. Rather than choosing different brands of camera, what HOLOWITS did was you can have the best of both worlds. You can have the best camera in the world, which is the term of sensor in terms of the mechanical portion of it. At the same time, you can also have a video analytics that's developed constantly by different partners that can be ingested in the camera as well. Until today, I think one of the best experience that I work with HOLOWITS is their professionalism. They answer my question quite swiftly. So a lot of things when it comes to the rights of distribution, the area, the rebates, the penalty, all these are addressed in a very professional manner. And they are very fast in addressing a lot of issues that we are facing if there is currently not a lot of issues. At the same time, they're also able to bring forward a conversation when it comes to marketing, how do I bring the brand forward, etc. If you want me to describe HOLOWITS in 3 words, I would think they are, the cameras is smart, it's intelligent. At the same time, they are swift. Okay, so my perspective of future in the surveillance world includes things like, moving intelligent to the edge, collecting metadata from the edge, having usable information, reactive information from the edge. I think what HOLOWITS did is in the correct direction. So currently we are seeing a lot of camera vendors out there are moving towards what HOLOWITS is doing, where in the shortest term we can call it software-defined camera. And I think moving forward, you will see a lot of more sites being intelligent to the edge and having more customized solution that is built at the edge. And also, lastly, to end this, I want to say HOLOWITS, everything sensing for an intelligent world. Thanks. See you soon.
HOLOWITS, everything sensing for an intelligent world.